Know the jungle has its rules, and I just gotta keep it cool, and I'll be treated like a tool.
Today we're in outdoors, trying to find a tent.
So don't be acting like it.
Dead fly. Well, I think we're considering buying this one for £5.99. It's gonna be a cheap investment here. Just have a look around the tent. There's
James Olied.
180 quid, boys. That's not expensive, is it? Look for something cheap. It's all £100 million. Right, so we're just watching some video of how to set it up. Well, keep in mind we're trying to buy a tent here. We're trying to buy a tent, and what the hell is he doing? Put it on himself a coat. He's gonna sit down, just sit down, plop.
Oh, I'm not gonna use it because we spent £1 on it. I'm gonna use it because I don't want to carry it. Well, this is truly shit.
Oh, spoiled work! Oh my god.
You're what, mate?
Right, so it's pretty wet, that's what it is.
Oh, you need it where it's peeling away, as you can see.
3, 2, 1. Soft as anything.
No, it's hard.
Is it?
With a left, right, right, one jab, then I duck, then weave. Come like Trevor from GTA, if I bang man's face, man, pop, then lean. Had man screaming.
Singing on Mitchell.
With a left, right.
It's gonna work.
It's like, doesn't want to go upside down. Yeah. Hasn't that side also touched the floor?
But everything's touched the floor. Everything has disease.
We're all going to die in like the next
Most bacteria are
days.
actually good bacteria, so it doesn't matter.
No, yeah, and obviously you put the skewer down. Now we can twist it. When it, oh fuck. Right, no, someone needs to hold it up while I scoot this underneath.
What is happening?
This is epic. What are you doing with the more wood?
Move the original log.
Oh my god, no. Yeah. Well, it's just a proper survival. Those two there are looking pretty nice. Yummy.
Yeah. If you didn't get rid of that one.
Yeah, but he can make you the. I was savvy.
I can't tell if it's gonna be really, really hot or really not hot. Oh no, I have to keep my
Teasing it, but not going the whole way.
My foot's gonna burn.
The flavour's really coming through.
Here we have Mitchell. His foot's gonna burn. Like if we were
We've got a
going
nice
to stay,
meatball here. We've got a nice sprinkling. Yummy.
Let's see where it goes.
Hell, mate, it's proper big, isn't it?
I don't want to. I've got the juice is drying.
Big.
That technology is too advanced for you, Ben.
How come Mitchell's just not affected by the torch at all? He's staring into it without blinking. Oh shit, it's Luke Brown.
Should we just know?
Stop the noise. Right now.
Right, so boys, this is the campfire. It has failed epically. Holding a burning log. Oh, that's hot.
That's actually pretty epic.
Oh wait, let me get a video of that.
Oh!
They'd never let you into the Jedi Order.
Oh my god.
That's actually getting quite close.
Oh shit!
We can go around the edge.
You either come to the front or hit the rocky road.
Well, can you not see?
Not really. The shadows in the way out.
Okay, then I'll go to the front. You're blinded, I don't know what we're doing. The camping trip has turned into... They've gone off to get some food because otherwise I'm going to die. My shoes are destroyed. This is how realistic camping with the lads usually ends up. Mashed.
Yeah, you can get out.
How long's the whole thing?
Are you getting phoned? Oh.
This is Daniel that's talking to you. But as soon as I want to switch it on, Daddy Tree can come out quick as fuck.
Wait, who's that?
That's Aiden.
Mashed.
Which side is the camera side? There we go. So, hey guys.
Some reaper blown up, looks like Al Qaeda. That's gone down.
Okay, that's probably.
That pretty worked with the whole neighbourhood. Sorry guys. What the hell is that? What time is it? According to that clock there. 5:15 in the morning. There's the moon. Nice and lovely.
This is the lovely, lovely view of Malawi. And that house right.
Me and Mitchell punched each other earlier in the morning.
Solid price.
Audio quality is freaking.
One of you lucky winners could be in with this.
A Kenko Millican Americano.
That's already been opened.
So if you want that, just give your email to me right now and
Like,
I'll
subscribe,
spam you for the rest of your life. That's what I want to hear in this video. If you heard that noise there, you've won a challenge. You've won the Mitchelinmadman prize. He's going to come to your house and ruin your house. Dog, what are you saying?
This is the lovely, lovely view of my life.
Exactly what I was thinking. He's combusting hydrogen in the minute. Carbon dioxide is turning to hydrogen at a rate of 1.2 meters a second.
Lovely, lovely.
Steamy now, can't see.
Steamy, but not enough. Yeah, one of you lucky guys will meet Mitchell in
Hey, what are you here with?
the low price of 1,000 rupees. You've won the challenge. If you heard that noise, you've won the challenge of meeting Mitchell.
I'll personally myself come to your house. No matter where you are in the world, I'll come right now.
Just give your postcode to me and your credit card, and I'll be there.
Whoever can spell my name incorrectly wins.
Yeah, comment down below Mitchell's name, but spell it incorrectly. Spell it however you want.
And if you don't, you've won.
There we go. Ah, that's hotter than Mac. If a MacBook Pro was on fire, that's how it would taste. Well, we're gonna watch some Jay Schlatt maybe, or maybe even some Ben Prettywork YouTube channel. That could be good.